All right, everybody. Today we're going over to my dad's and got to do some brakes on his Miata. So figured I'd take you guys along, and here we go. Be a warm one today. So the old man, whoa, god dang, we are vibrating like crazy. Wow, sorry about that. You guys got a headache? So the old man bought this 2002 Miata, if I'm right. Had some rust on the quarters, rockers. Not so much rockers, but basically the quarters, rear fender well. And he couldn't drive it like that. So, lo and behold, I cut out the quarters, cut out the rust, put in new quarters, and repainted it. So, he's starting to put a lot of money in this thing. And you know, he just keeps upgrading it. Eventually she's gonna get a big Terpski. We're gonna throw a Terpski on her, but yeah, so the brakes were shot, so going over here to do this. Started the other day, but he had the wrong parts from the wrong auto, so, and one of the wheel studs broke. So I got to replace wheel studs too. So now, fun day. So here we go.
Well, they do kind of hold the pad in place.
Yeah, that's what they slide on. I think that's how they went in there.
Well, sounds like they're snapping in.
We get it together, we'll just hit some brake clean on this. And I should have done this before I put these on there. This is ideally not the stuff to use, but
It's real runny.
all you need is a little bit of that grease. It's just to help them pads slide back and forth when they're coming in and out of load. So they don't hang up and mess up your new rotors.
I really don't want that. I had a little tube of some blue shit that I don't know what happened to it. I remember it was blue. Wasn't white.
What's going on? Can you give me some needle nose? This clip got mangled.
So the Plymouth racetrack is back to paved again, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. I had them on backwards.
Oh. I can see.
Barely.
I don't think I got any anti-seize. You know, like you used. One to put on.
I'm sure you don't. The problem is this frickin' wrench doesn't fit in here on this inner nut to tighten this.
You don't got anything any skinnier at home?
Not really. It's too wide.
I know.
You can't get it down in there.
I got some little stubby ones, but I don't think they're any narrower.
What a dumbass design. Stupid Japanese.
I have some of these little thingies. Like a needle claw thing, but that probably won't work.
Alright, I think I got him.
What size is that?
Oh. I already got it.
I know, but I was gonna see if I had anything any thinner.
Oh, it's a 17. Can you unlock the steering wheel again?
Yeah. But where do you want to go with it?
I could turn it, just unlock it. So I tried to turn it, it was locked. Just put the key forward on it, or at least to the first notch, wherever it unlocks it.
There.
I need that brake clean. Got a rag. A lint-free one.
Here's a t-shirt. One of your chamois things ain't gonna work. Put some lithium grease or something on them studs help any or not?
Oh, those are all the wheel studs. Where?
Bolts and nuts.
Yeah. Oh, that's the broken one.
Yeah, that's on the driver's side.
That's gonna be fun pulling that wheel stud out of that one.
Yeah, that's what I was figuring.
Need air.
I don't think my little one would do it. My freezer's working, so I don't even know if I plug this in here. Probably gonna break it.
All right. Not the proper bolt, but washers will fix that, right? Good luck finding an M81 bolt because they're not easy to find.
That would be a special thing.
Yeah. Oh, the other bolt's in here. Almost got it.
I think you got a claw hand too.
No, we're not all special enough to have that claw hand. That's like your, it should be like your strong pimp hand. That's your back hand.
I'd rather not be.
Oh, I probably ought to match the height, right? I only put one washer on there. I know I'm gonna probably need more than one. Oh, that's about dead nuts right there.
3 washers.
Yeah. Well, the only other thing that sucks, it's a grade 5, not a grade 8, but.
Right.
But beggars can't be choosy.
All over town, we did freaking.
I guess we had like 3 more parts stores we could have went to, but
Napa. I don't even know if Napa's open on Sunday.
yeah, Hoffman Brothers, but they're not open. I don't think.
No, they're not open on Sunday.
Now, the head of that nut is not a 14 like the other one. It's smaller.
Must be a 13. That's weird.
Hmm?
Isn't that weird?
Yep.
13. I don't care. The thread pitch is right. That's all matters. I don't give a shit.
Right, it ain't messing up the threads in it.
No.
Thankfully, that easy out worked.
Yeah. Otherwise, we'd try to find that other bolt shank or whatever the hell it is.
Yeah, it's a little harder to find.
And it's a 2002 Mazda. I really don't think we could have found one. They probably wouldn't have had that thread pitch in it either. Probably had matched something up, go with that.
Alright. Now I'm scared to tighten shit. I feel like you, Mr. Over Tighten everything.
I'm like that with plastic shit. I'm just glad that freaking stud was okay.
Well, this ain't the Tin Man colored stuff, but I don't think I've ever used the copper. My boot's anti-seize now.
You can see that. You got anti-seize at home now.
Got a rag. And the brake clean. So I can clean these rotors off since I got grease all over them.
You want something bigger than a
No, just give me that shirt I had over there in that can of brake clean.
Oh.
That's fine. Oh, you gave me a sock. I didn't even see it. Sock.
Holy socks, I saved them for rent.
Yeah, every one of those stupid t-shirts that crappy crap hole that I was working at, you know, every one of them shirts they gave me, I took them out and I sliced every one of them up into shop rags. I'm gonna wipe grease all over their freaking name.
I got brand new shirts when I was at ATS just before I quit, like a week or two before I quit. I wear them there and they're at work. They're black. I don't give a shit.
Oh no, I don't want. I never wore them while I worked there because I didn't want nobody to know I worked there. I was embarrassed.
No, I really didn't like working for ATS either, but they're the right color for what I do. I even bought me some new Wranglers today.
Ooh, freaking cowboy.
I like Wranglers.
I don't. Although I got a Wrangler shirt on right now.
Yeah, I got a Wrangler short sleeve shirt the other day. I'll drink one more. Took me forever to drink the one. Never thought I would say it, but I'm Stroh's man now. Thanks to Dylan Mulvaney.
Hey, if PBR or Stroh's wants to sponsor my channel, I am totally good with that.
Yeah, really.
I'll take a trip up to Milwaukee. It's not that far.
Really didn't want to take.
I don't mind going to Milwaukee. It's a lot of fun. Okay, now I need a wheel for this side. This side's done. Oh yeah, you're missing a lug, aren't you?
Yeah.
Can I have the thing? They're kind of... You should have got extended lug nuts or studs. They're short, man.
I don't see the tool.
It should be over there.
No, it's not.
Unless I put it on the bench, because
You see clamps and. I don't see it.
I don't think I took it over here. Woo! It's hot in here.
I'm looking to have 4, but.
You good? I'd drive it on 3, it wouldn't bother me none.
Well, I will maybe a day or two till I get the new one.
When'd you say it was coming?
27th. I think Becky said that was Tuesday.
Oh, well, hell, you only got a...
Couple days.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is Tuesday. You was right.
Yeah, they'll be here soon. Huh?
Oh, that.
You over there drooling over a buck on a calendar?
I looked at the date and then I saw it. I never really paid attention to what was the June.
Some bitch looks like he's on one of them freaking buck farms where they high fence and breed them. He's not quite that extravagant, but that's a big ass buck. Guess I need a little more on the other side. It's kind of sketchy with just one thing, the point of holding it up.
I know.
But this thing don't weigh much, so.
No.
Yep.
Alright.
Don't get under the tire.
No, I'm not. I'm wait till it gets on the floor. You want these rotors for scrap or?
Hell yeah, I want it for scrap. Well, wait, brother.
There it is.
This one mounts totally different. What? How? How? There's no, how does that, wow. There's the 2 bolts for the bracket, and then there's one here. But this one up here doesn't have a
Hole in it for a bolt.
there's no bolt there. I don't even know how it works. Maybe I can just take the whole bracket off. Oh, this has got the e-brake cable on it too. Alright. And it looks like none of those nuts are the same size as the front ones.
Figures.
Yeah. Nope, not that size. That's it. I don't know if I should just take the whole bracket off or what. This one sucks. I can't turn this one.
Right.
It's not a
No, it's not rear wheel steering.
It's not a Mitsubishi Eclipse 3000 GT or whatever. VR4. Those cars were so badass. They were GTOs in Japan.
Yeah.
3000 GTs here. All-wheel drive, all-wheel steering.
Quite an engineering feat.
Yeah, they quite handled pretty badass. Turboed.
Them things got them little clips on them like the other one.
Yeah, but the clips are different.
These little dinky things. But the brake rotor's smaller too.
Oh my god, the pad is not even attached to the plate anymore. That pad looks pretty good. Someone put some carbon brakes on it. Although that one rusted and came completely detached from the backer. Okay, sledgehammer again. Ah! Ah! Holy shit. This thing in gear? Yeah, because I'm spinning the drive shaft.
It's in first.
I don't think you gotta pull it off. Pull out the bearing.
Well, it don't look like it by the new one.
It looks separate. Well, yeah, it is. Alright. Let's stand up and do it. There you go. Just need a little more ass. These rotors aren't near as bad as the front ones were. Are they the same size?
I sure as hell hope so.
That one looks bigger.
It's because it is.
Dun dun dun.
Motherfucker. Now we got that all fucking scarred up. I put the old one back on it.
Which way are these going there? Ah, this is stupid.
At least the emergency cable won't be on the other side.
What the? Why won't they go on? They gotta go on like that. You would think. Maybe I'm doing them backwards. What the fuck? It'll self-clear. It's fine. Alright, one more. It's hotter balls in here.
Yeah, sorry.
It's just, there's no air movement.
Oh.
That's bad sitting down, but as soon as you stand up, you sure as hell notice it. course it's got a brake cable on the inside. Why wouldn't it?
Got one here too.
Well, yeah. Otherwise, they'd only have one wheel freaking locked. You might be able to get. Yeah, you can probably take them both off. Never mind. I'm like sitting on this side of the AR.
Okay.
I'm coming down.
You already got the wheel tight, right?
Yeah. Where's your keys at?
They're in it.
Just back it out and then we can clean the shit up with the car out of the way.
Yeah, we got the car all done, fixed, brakes done, and yeah, I lost some footage. We went out and took it for a drive. They all worked, good to go. So yeah, like, subscribe, check us out on we're on Instagram, Bald Eagle Station _ on Instagram, and on the Facebooks. I don't post a lot on the Facebooks, but I try to give updates to videos in the future and whatnot. So Instagram is probably the best place to see it, and well, probably Facebook too. But so we're just on those two right now, and yeah, stay tuned for future content. Peace.